Implementing cross-docking principles in the logistics operation will minimize costs by minimizing product handlings and movements. We mean that the products or materials will be delivered direct to the end users or customers in order to minimize product handling and movements, as well to minimize the possibility of damage to the products. However, implementing cross-docking in logistics operations require careful planning and close monitoring of inbound and outbound deliveries without going to the storage warehouse. Likewise, it requires monitoring of purchase order and strong supplier and vendor relationship and third-party logistics collaboration. Still, we have to align with technology such as the warehouse management system. Thank you very much and shukran.